I want to show you a little bit on how to make your videos pop a little more, and I'm going to show you some of the stuff that you're going to learn in the academy. So right here is my short form video. You're going to learn how to put stuff together. I already have it chopped up, a few different scenes, little color grading. You already have storytelling going on, and I have my voiceover already going on. So here's what we have.
Business. Why, you ask? Well, it's because I spent over 50 hours a week running in a circle and mentally broken all because I had to handle my responsibilities. So 5 hours on social media on my own schedule is nothing. See, a lot of you could be doing exactly.
So you see, it's pretty decent. The voiceover, it could have been better, but I just want to get some uploaded. I like to make sure I'm storytelling, so it's enticing emotion, pushing on pain points, but I also like everything to be, on point. So I could have made that voiceover a little better, but you see here it's not popping just yet. So what I did was I put it in Canva, and you're gonna see little aspects that I use. So first, you're gonna hear the sound. So I'm just going to start with that. But I usually put this when I already put the images. So first, you're gonna hear every time an image pops up, you're gonna hear some sort of noise, ding. A whoosh is another effect they call it. So you're gonna hear it, and it makes that image pop. And another thing to take away from this is I shot this on my iPhone, but I shot it in cinematic mode with a low exposure because I wanted everything that I added to it to pop more. So you're gonna see the captions pop through a little more. You're gonna see the images pop through a little more. So that's why I recorded it in a low exposure. So you're gonna hear the pops that are gonna give it a cinematic feel. I also have a inspirational and instrumental, and I use Splice. Splice is right here. So I use Splice to get all my sounds. You can use a lot of places. And then it's gonna be the images. So when it comes to an image, I'm just storytelling. So we can actually, so we don't hear it, we can just scroll through. So you see I'm storytelling. So if I say, I usually put a minimum of 5 hours in my business. So you see a business and you see a clock. So I just pretty much storytell with what I'm saying, so you can see a visual of what I'm saying. So to keep it simple, you just have to be creative. Why do you ask? It's a person that's looking like he's gonna ask a question, or he's asking a question, and so it's real simple. But what makes this move a little more is the animations that I use. If you want to see your timing, so you can make sure you can trim it, put it where you want it, you just right click, you go to show timing, and it's going to show you where each and every one of these logos are at, and you can move them around when you want them. So you're going to see just stuff where I'm telling a story is going with my caption. Your B-roll, which is my video that I have planned, should tell a story as well, something that's aesthetic. So you got to keep all that in mind. Yes, I'm actually a film grad, so, and I've been doing video for a while, so this comes natural to me. But after a while, you're gonna understand. So we're gonna play it, and you're gonna see everything that I mentioned and why it pieces all together, and it will improve your watch time as well.
I usually put in a minimum of 5 hours a day in my business. Why, you ask? Well, it's because I spent over 50 hours a week running in a circle and mentally broken all because I had to handle my responsibilities. So 5 hours on social media on my own schedule is nothing. See, a lot of you could be doing exactly what I'm doing. You just don't see it. You don't understand. You've bought so many items all due to seeing something on the internet. You don't understand. You don't always have to be the consumer. You can be the supplier. You could be offering to the people real solutions to their problems, happiness, and more. Ain't that something?
Then I have a call to action at the end. So in my opinion, I would have made the voiceover way more on point, more natural. I duplicated my voice with one of the softwares we show you in the academy, and that's exactly it. Obviously, it's a little more to it. That's why it's so important to be in the academy to learn this stuff, so you can watch it on your own schedule. You don't have to, try to fit in everything at one time. It's literally a library full of all the working strategies like this. Wouldn't you agree? This is a strategy you want to know in 2024, especially if you can't always get on camera. You have stuff going on, kids. Wouldn't it be nice to just record some stuff and then be able to just put a voiceover and speak your story. I wrote my script. I didn't AI my script, but you can easily AI something and just add your flavor as well. So this is the stuff in the academy and the internet income system. So if you want more information on this, if you want more trainings like this as well, drop a comment in the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I showed you a little bit of something.